hello everyone. This is like a bit of a series for one of my subscribers. He wanted like a video of how to operate the trucks and stuff. So yeah, how I normally do it is keybinds. Yeah, so that's how I normally do it, if it is available. Sometimes the truck doesn't use keybinds, and then you'll have to use this over here. But this doesn't work for some of the trucks. Yeah. So I'll teach you like how to use them. Yeah. So. Yeah, it was for one of my subscribers. He wanted, or they wanted me to like tell you how to operate the trucks and stuff. So if it says AT, then that's an automatic transmission. So then you just press the arrows. Well, this is for like the keyboard and stuff, so yeah. So if you like play Roblox with a keyboard and play with these trucks, but this is for these ZRs. They normally have like a Peterbilt 520 cab, and it says Heil Durapack 7000 over here. So these will not work. So use the one at the top of your keyboard. So one is to extend. So just do a little realigning here. So yeah, 2 is close and open for this truck. Yeah, when it's on the curb like this, I normally like to prop it up a little by using 3. So you grab with 2, and then you go 3. Yeah, I pull it in with 5. And then I set it down with 4. Hit 1 to extend, then 2, and then... Yeah, so... most trucks, it is like up to, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, but this one only does, up to 5, because, 1 is just controlled by the same key. So again, 1 is extend, 2 is open and close with your claw, and then 3 is up and down. Wait, no, just up, and then 4 is down. And then 5 is retract, and yeah, 6 does nothing, of course. Yeah, so I just use the arrows. For me, I normally just use one hand for the keybinds and stuff. That's what I kind of find easiest. But, yeah, as I said, some trucks don't work with the keybinds. Yeah, I'll do some other videos on the keybinds and, like, the different trucks. I don't know why it does, that weird, like, thing where it just pops in and out. It's kind of annoying, but, yeah, I just go with it. So, here's like, alright, so, this is how I normally do it. So, 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, it can get a bit annoying. And 4, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, Yeah, just use my fingers, just spread them out across the keyboard. And normally how you know, like you've dumped the can, well, you can like hear it on some of these trucks. So it'll go like that, and then it'll replay that sound. Yes, when it's on like curbs, like earlier, I normally like to just prop it up a little instead of just grabbing at the base. Also, if you want, you can always just do that. Like that. It will just slip down later. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I find a stick transmission, which it'll say ST down here, S/T. So this is where you can just use the forward, backward, side arrows. Yeah. Where you don't have to go like other things. But and also in controls you can hit that. And then like I'm on the keyboard. It'll say shift up and shift down. So yeah, EE is how I normally do it. I just go like, so if I'm in reverse, I'll just go EE and then it'll change. Then QQ is what I go to reverse. Normally it will just start off in neutral, which is when that will say an N. Then you hit E to drive forward, and then QQ drive backwards, Q drive backwards. Yeah, so how to drive it is like in here. It'll have the controls down at the bottom. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Maybe, I mean, if you want, you can like play this with these kind of ZRs. Neo ZRs. Yeah, I'm currently playing an Arizona game. Yeah, waste connections. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how to control the trucks and operate the arm. Yeah, so I mean, I'll make another one for like the different trucks. So I'll get to that. But I think I'll be doing the Python next. So see you when I'm in the Python.